What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, we're gonna do another fall DIY. For this DIY, you're gonna need pine cones, paint brushes, and some just your regular acrylic paint. So let's get started, guys. Okay, y'all, this DIY is so freaking simple. It's crazy. So for this DIY, I'm gonna use this blue and a gold paint because it matches the decor of my house. But if you just want to use like other fall colors, you know, the oranges, the other like browns and reds and so on and so forth, have at it, guys. But I still wanted a little folly, but I didn't want to go too far left. Okay, that's enough explaining. So I'm just gonna simply take a pine cone. I hope y'all still can see it. And instead of painting it at the top, I'm painting it at the bottom. So when I display it, it's just gonna be the bottom, and it's gonna give that lift that I want. So I'm not gonna be worried about painting all this. Now, if you want to paint the whole pine cone, have at it, depending on how you're displaying it. But to me, I want the fullness, and I want, you know how you put those decorative balls in like a container? That's more the look that I'm going for. So you just, of course, take a freaking pine cone, turn that bad boy to show its butt of the bottom. Let's be nice, Kenya. And select a color. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and select a gold. Use my gold color. Now y'all can be all nice and prim and get like a bow, but I'm gonna keep it all the way 100 with you guys. I just dip my paintbrush directly in there. Now, if you're using multiple colors, I do not suggest that you do that, okay? Thank you. So then you just paint that bad boy. And paint it and paint it until it's covered. Yes, guys. Now, y'all know it's gonna take a moment to dry, but depending on how much paint you use, it shouldn't take that long. And I'm hoping it's not gonna take that long, because why? I want to show you guys the finished product before I get off this, before the video ends. So yeah. So booyah. And it's that easy, guys. Now, like I said, you can paint the whole pine cone, but I ain't doing all that today, guys. And that is not the look I'm going for anyway. And look how simple that is. Now, I didn't want like a super duper heavy coat because I still want the brown to come through. But I want the gold to pop out as well. See how simple that was? What it took, like 5 seconds? Not even. Okay, guys. So we're going to let this dry, and then I'm going to show you some other colors that I did. And then I'm going to show you the finished product. Okay? Okay, guys, I finished painting. Took me all of 5 seconds. Now, I wanted to show you one that's a close-up look. And this one, I did like almost like a two-tone. It ain't no almost. I did a two-tone. And you see the blue and the gold coming through, I hope. And, of course, I did this because I didn't feel like cleaning my brush. But I love the way the effect came out. It almost looked like I meant to do that, which I kind of did because I'm lazy in a sense. But anyway, but you see how the blue and the gold paint comes together. Focus. Can y'all see that? Focus. Okay, so booyah. So I like that effect, and that's something y'all could do. And then this is a half of a pine cone. And I mean, you can cut it in half if you choose to, but this was just already broken. So I just colored it. And this is more of just a straight blue color. And I'm going to use this more like as I place the other pine cones like a filler. But I suggest, in just my opinion, to use the whole pine cone, because if you're, placing them in a thing, you want as much at the bottom so you can pop out the color and then you're not going to see the bottom. So I suggest to leave it intact. So those are my colors. So I'm going to let them dry, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. And there you have it, guys, my finished product. Guys, I really, really like the way it turned out. As you see, I added just some unpainted pine cones in there as well, and just position them differently so the other ones can pop out. So I really like the way it turned out. I might add like some more color ones just to, you know, give it a little bit more pizzazz. And of course you could add other little like leaves and so on and so forth, guys. But I really like the way it turned out. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Sunday. Deuces. Okay guys, I'm about to select a winner. As you see, I have placed all the people who have left a comment under that particular video. And I'm about to select, guys. Good luck to everybody. And thank you guys for supporting this contest. Here we go. Carrie Beth, you are our winner. I can't even talk. You are a winner. I am ready for winter, by the way. But congratulations. You can get in contact with me. The email, I'm gonna leave my email down below, and I'm gonna need your mailing address, and I'm gonna give it to the company directly, and they're gonna ship you the product to you directly without coming through me and then me sending it to you. I'm gonna send it directly to them. Alrighty. Good luck, and I wished all y'all luck. I hope y'all get some other stuff, everybody who didn't win, but thank you.